Hello guys, this is Chef Stas on Ask Chef channel and I continue to cook with pumpkin. Today I would like to show you a simple version of pumpkin pie, a little bit of orange zest, a little bit of rum, and the result is delicious. Intrigued? Let's start cooking. First, prepare pumpkin puree. Cut the pumpkin, peel it, chop it, put it in a saucepan, fill it with water. Cook it until it becomes soft. Drain the water, crush it into puree, and pass through a sieve if necessary. Grease the cake mold with butter. Divide 3 eggs into yolks and whites. Add sugar to the yolks and beat with a whisk until the mass brightens and increases in volume. Then add flour and starch and mix well. Add 450 grams of pumpkin puree, zest of 1 orange, stir and add 40 ml of rum. Stir well again. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites until they reach medium peaks. Mix in a third of the dough. Stir. Combine both parts together until smooth. Pour the dough into a prepared mold and send it to a preheated to 170 degrees Celsius oven for 40 to 45 minutes. The pie is ready. Serve it with whipped cream and seasonal fruits. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.